you guys doing? During my husband's birthday, his friend sent him a cow as his birthday gift, so I've asked them to kill it, and so I'm going over there to pick up the meat while they take the skin and the head and leg to the abattoir to clean it up and all of that. So I'll be doing that today, so let's go. So like this biscuit bowl now, we need it for something, so let's go and have it. So I'm back, and these are all the meats that we have here. So I'm going to be using some of them to make my collagen, and then we have the offals here. As you can see, the towels and everything. The best way to store your meat, especially when your meat is fresh, is to tie them like that and not wash them. So when you bring them out, you wash them. Because these are very fresh meat, I just got them from the abattoir. I'm just going to go ahead and pack them. So I'm going to be using this nylon, and then for some I'll be using this colored nylon just to differentiate them. So let's quickly do that. So this is the beef part of the meat. Come closer. You can see how red fresh it is. Using yellow and blue nylon, the yellow and black nylon, just to differentiate the beef from the biscuit bone and the rest of the meat. I'm just going to tie it as much as I can use, and then I'll go ahead and wrap that up. And then once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and wash these ones. So for my offals, my towels rather, I like to put hot water in my towels so that I can wash them properly. I'm going to go ahead and add some salt to my offals, and then I'll start washing them. Okay. So once I'm done, I'm going to get like a battle bag or a sack, and then I'll start packing the meat inside, depending on the meat itself. I already have them in different nylons and colors, so it will be easy to identify. And then I'll put them in the freezer. I'm going to repeat the same thing with every other kind of meat that I got. So I'm going to do the same thing for both my cow head and cow leg. This is my cow leg, and we also have the cow tail over here. One more that we got from the cow. So I'm just blue nylon so that it will be easy to identify, and I'm also going to pack them according to the number that I use. I'm just going to do that, and I'll be right back. So my meat is all done, and I'm going to be putting Capon into my freezer, so it's going to help lift the meat from sticking to the freezer bottom. So I'm just going to line my like so, however you want to do it. And yeah, so I'm done washing my meat, and I want to pack them in the fridge. I always like to label them or write on the back. So this is offals. I'm also going to write it on this paper gum. Okay, so offals. I'm going to put it on the body. Oh, you're going to change your uniform. So I'm going to put that. So I'm all done, and I'm so tired, and we've come to the end of the vlog. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, click on the notification button so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I post a new video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.